Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a card using the Very Best Occasions stamp set. I love this stamp set. And the Designer Daydream Host Only Designer Series paper. Very cute pack of paper. But before we get started on that, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We're going to start with the October Paper Pumpkin Kit, the Ho 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 Christmas Kit that makes 9 cards. And we'll coordinate with November's Paper Pumpkin Kit, which makes Christmas tags. And there's also going to be an add-on of some North Pole sacks. And if you want to get this kit, you have until October 10th to subscribe. And there is a link in the description box below. And again, just a reminder that we do have kits that are available online only at stampinup.com/kits. And the birthday card organizer kit is one of the latest to be added to that collection. It is a perpetual birthday calendar in a notebook form. And the 2 outside covers have pockets to hold some cards that you can make with the kit as well. Okay, just a reminder of that. We have our Starter Kit Plus promotion going on. It's plus because they've added some money into how much product you can get. So the kit costs $99 plus tax. Shipping is free. And you usually get to choose $125 worth of product. But with this promotion, you're going to get $155 worth of product, a business supply pack, and a past paper pumpkin kit, all for your $99, shipped to your house for free. Great deal if you want to join Stampin' Up and be a part of Honeybee Stampin' Hive as a team member. This is our host code for October. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies or your great deals, okay? That is all the buzzworthy business that we have for today. So let's get started on our project. We have some Pool Party cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to burnish on that score line. This is our card base. We are working with the October Show Us Your Sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Al. And this is her October version. And I will have a link in the description box below for you to go over to her video that she tells you how to download the PDF for free that has all of the measurements that you're going to need for this card, okay? So I have some Designer Series paper here that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then we have a piece of, another piece of designer paper that we're going to glue down to the bottom of this. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a cute birthday card. So I'm just going to put this down here at the bottom. And we're going to, this is about 3/4 of an inch. I think, yeah, about 3/4 of an inch. And we are going to cut it down to the 3.5. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and stamp with some Old Olive ink, Happy Birthday. This is such a fabulous stamp set. The font in here is gorgeous. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so let's take our scissors here and trim the extra overhang. And then we're going to glue this down to this Designer Series paper. And we're going to stick it on the inside of our card. So the inside, get in frame here. The inside will be done. Just that quick and simple. Look at this. I love this side of the card, the paper as well. This is a great set of paper. It's like the colors are all the same on each, like it's not like the other host paper from the mini catalog where it's all different kind of colors going on because it's for all the occasions. But this one is not. Okay, so we're gonna do, I should have stamped this while I had the ink out. So let's stamp on this piece of white for our outside sentiment that says, sending you smiles for every moment of your special day. I'm going to stamp this about right there. Oh, that is so cute. So now we're done with the ink. And we're going to get some Old Olive here. We're going to glue this down in the upper right-hand corner. I did change my measurements a bit from the PDF because I like a 1/8 inch border. Well, it's really like a 1/16 inch border, but I like to cut my pieces a little larger than she did, my designer paper pieces and everything, because I like to have more of that showing instead of the cardstock. So we're going to put that there. We have another piece to match the inside of our card. I need to change my cutting blade, I see. Got all these little fuzzies going on. I'm going to put this one right here along the edge. Just like that. Let me see, make sure I got that straight. There we go. You can stand to come down a bit. Okay. Then we're going to layer this piece. Man. No, I like to, I didn't realize what was on the back of this. I love stripes, but I already have stripes, so I'm not going to use it. Now this one, it's going to be all the way to the right edge over here. So the border is only going to be on 3 sides. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to pop this onto the front of our base. Make sure I have everything going the right direction. Right in the middle there. This is such a cute layout. Okay, then we're going to take this. And we're going to put it all the way to the edge of our card base. Lining it up. It's going to cover that empty spot there in between those two. Just like that. That is so cute. And this card is nearly done. So now I have, you might take your pick to some glossy dots assortment. And we're going to use some of the yellow and Pool Party. This is Daffodil Delight and Pool Party. Let's see, I want a big one of the Pool Party. Then maybe one of these medium ones. And a small one to go there. Then I want a yellow one. Where do I want the yellow? Put it right here. And I want a small one. Just like that. Okay, that is it, my friends. This is the card. Isn't it cute? That is all I have for you today. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.